Hello, Ralph here, NoizeBusters. Today we're going into different ways of sidechaining in Bitwig Studio. So let's dive in and I show you what's possible. Here you see Bitwig Studio with two tracks, one kick drum and a bass line 16th. And for sure you found already one of the sidechain options if you use the modulators in Bitwig Studio. And so you open the audio sidechain here and then choose the kick drum and then modulate the volume, for example, from the synthesizer. The problem is here, if you use it like this, it's only for that instrument. There's a different possibility. If you have the track device open, on the left side of the instrument you see track remote controls. If you go down here and choose the sidechain here, you can then use that signal to modulate any device on the track itself, which is pretty cool. How I do the sidechaining a lot in Bitwig is, if I selected the kick drum, you have this rise and fall. If you control click here and then delete the whole thing and say, I want to have like a 164 for the attack, and then for the fall or the release, you want to have a 116, let's say. It's perfectly synced to the DAW tempo, and then you can assign it to the output of the instrument. And here you have it. Cool thing now is also that I can, let's say, I have this EQ point here, and I want to modulate this with the sidechain. Also possible. Here we go. So it only ducks that frequency, a specific frequency you want to, with the kick drum. And you don't have to open it again on the equalizer. It's there for the whole track, which is really cool. That's one thing how to do the sidechain. And another thing what you can use actually is the thing called segments. If I press play now, I did already the change. Okay, see. I want to show you what you have to change in case to get this running with the segments. If you press the track control, you have buttons here in the inspector, and the third one is telling which channel it uses to trigger the segments. So then I can use the kick, for example, and then say I want to have 8 notes. So from 0 to 1 is 1 8 note, and then you can draw in the sidechain. Let's control the volume again. And then you can exactly say how you want the shape of that sidechain envelope. Just one thing to mention, if you put this full 0, it can get a click, so just shift it a bit to the left, and then it's good to go. That's another way how to do sidechaining. You don't have to use the audio sidechain modulator. it really works nicely because you can exactly choose how long the sidechain needs to go. So it's 1 node, 16 nodes, whatever you need. So have fun trying out. Bye.